Hello, good morning. My name is Joshlaurence and Bigay, and my report is all about how manufacturers can grow in the new normal system. Most of us hope that the COVID-19 pandemic will end within months and things will go back to normal. In fact, many aspects of our society may never return to normal. The COVID-19 pandemic hit manufacturers in an unexpected and unprecedented way. For the first time in modern manufacturing history, demand, supply, and workforce availability are affected globally at the same time. The first priority is to stabilize. We need to take care of your employees and customers, form a dedicated crisis response leadership team to define options, risks, and courses of action, and execute based on immediate priorities. Once stability is achieved, the priority shifts to normalize. So you need to evolve your operating model for the new normal. The focus is on the resources prioritization and programs that enable you to engage customers and save their needs more effectively while also ensuring business continuity. As the future becomes clearer and options emerge, the priority evolves towards accelerate. You need to prepare to move out of the crisis in a stronger state, more resilient and relevant than when you went in. This will require a dedicated team to model option, redesign process, and mobilize your company and communicate effectively through the changes. How is COVID-19 affecting manufacturing? The disruption on manufacturing caused by the COVID-19 has severe operational, social, and financial consequences. It is forcing the manufacturers to rethink the risk management and contingency plan, workforce safety protocols, manufacturing operation, and new ways of working opportunities all the same time. So far, manufacturing leaders have concentrated on solving the immediate challenges required to keep the business as stable as possible. They form rapid response team to gain a better understanding of their production demand changes, labor support challenges, and supply chain. Three actions to build the agility you need now and in the future. Understand the impact of demand disruption. Demand priorities in product portfolios have changed drastically. We can see three key scenarios affecting the manufacturing assets. So, in all scenarios, manufacturers need to rapidly identify the products that are most critical for stabilization and growth, shore up associated supply chain, and reconcile the critical skill to meet near-term and future demand. Based on my research, they recommended taking the following action. Number 1, work with the planners to confirm the customer and the market's actual needs in order to segment demand of critical product needed for production reprioritization. Number 2 is the segment operation based on market outlook, taking into consideration supply chain, input for customer demographics, geographies, market sales channels, and decide which production is in high demand, requires repurposing, slowing down, shutting down, or rechanneling. Develop rapid demand and supply scenarios to confirm operational feasibility. Communicate supply commitment and confirm customers' ability to receive. And the last one is develop a roadmap for the next wave in demand, changes, and product needs. Manage workforce safety and flexibility. COVID-19 creates a significant workforce availability, safety, and productivity challenges. Absenteeism may rise because of illness or reluctance, and remote support may be required due to the quarantine guidelines. This factor will likely cause a decline in productivity as a new processes are put into place at work site to ensure health adequacy and social distancing of personnel, and revise scaling for multi-role coverage or new product lines and processes are introduced. Based on my research, they recommended the following action to support both employees and contractor partners. Ensure manufacturing ecosystem viability. Ecosystem relationships typically suffer the most during massive market disruptions, given the increased adoption of ecosystem-based global supply chains. This is the challenge for manufacturers. They must understand the implication of COVID-19 and contract provision for each critical ecosystem, including material supplies, contractor companies, co-manufacturers, and logistic providers. Based on our research, they recommended these following actions. This is the guidance for the manufacturing industry for the safety protocols.